The Yellow Wallpaper is a short story written by Charlotte Perkins Gilman in the form of journal entries. In the section 1 of the story, the narrator and her husband moves to a new mansion for the summer. She mentions about the grandness of the mansion but also finds it strange. However, her husband dismisses all her concerns as he is practical in the extreme. She mentions that her husband is a physician and scoffs at anything that can be considered a superstition. Moreover, she reveals about her nervous condition and the cure suggested to her by her husband. This cure included tonics, air, and avoidance of work or any other stimulating activity. She feels that this treatment would not help her, however, she falls for it as she does not have any say in the matter. Further, she changes the course of the story towards her new house, which is surrounded by gardens and greenhouses. The narrator's room is on the upper floor in what used to be a nursery. It is a big room with barred windows and tattered wallpaper, thus giving an impression of children residing it in the past. The narrator observes that the wallpaper is dull and in a revolting shade of yellow. With its pattern being equally horrendous, this description of the wallpaper resonates with her mental state. In this story, the setting plays a pivotal role. The facts established in the setting later applies to the narrator and aids the reader in their understanding of the story. The imagery of mansion with broken greenhouses, barred windows, and hedges and walls depicts the narrator's sense of being confined within the boundaries. Moreover, the depiction of relationship between the narrator and her husband represent the state of women inequality and suppression, thus forcing narrator to express herself through journals in her diary, which later takes the form of the story.